Hey guys, it's Anson from Weekend Garage here. Today I'm going to show you how to switch your black push to start button onto a red push to start button. This process is fairly straightforward. What you want to do first is remove these two bolts below the steering column. It is a 6mm, I believe. And then as you can see, there will be 7 push tabs on this panel. You can just use a pry tool or just pull it straight out. And then what you want to do next is reach your hand up here and try to push the pins on the back of the start button. So the tabs on the start button, there's actually 2 on the top and there's 1 on the bottom. What you want to do is when you reach behind the dash here, you want to push these 3 in. What I did was I pushed 2 down first on the top and then popped it out a little bit, and then I pushed the bottom one up, and then I could just push it out. You don't have to force anything. It should be pretty easy to push out once you push the tabs in, as you can see. So what you want to do next is take out this connector, just push the tab in, pull it out. Okay, so what you want to do next is grab a flathead or a pry tool, and we're gonna pry the silver ring off the existing start button. Same for both sides. Then we're gonna install this ring onto the new start button. Just pop it right in. Should be pretty straightforward. As you can see, I'm just doing it with one hand. And then next we're gonna plug it back in. No programming is required. It's plug and play. Then you can test the functions of the new start button. Accessory mode, ignition on. Just to confirm before you tuck everything back into place. What you want to do next is tuck the wiring back in the hole here, and then you can just pop the button right back in. Make sure the orientation is correct. Anyways, this should be it for this install, besides closing up the panel below the steering column. I thought this was a pretty neat upgrade for the price. I got it at my local dealer for about 60 something Canadian dollars. So I'll leave the part number and link in my description. Hope this helped you guys out. Have a great day.